In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert decimals into percentages and vice versa. So first off, let's look at decimals to percents. So first of all, let's go with 0.32 as our example. Now, when you convert decimals to percentages, all you have to do is multiply by 100, or in other words, move the decimal 2 places to the right. So 0.32 as a percent, all we have to do is move this decimal 1, 2 to the right, and that gives us 32% as our answer. So let's take another example of 0.57. Again, 0.57 times 100 is move the decimal 2 places to the right, gives us 57%. Now let's take another example, 0.751. Once again, we multiply this by 100, moving the decimal point 2 places to the right, which gives us 75.1%. Now let's go with 2.13. Even with this whole number here, it's going to be exactly the same concept. Multiply by 100, moving the decimal 2 places to the right, which gives us 213%. And it's going to be this exact same for all decimals. So now let's look at going the other way with turning percents into decimals. So, to start off with, let's take 27% and convert this into a decimal. Now you can probably guess how we go about doing this by now. We simply drop this percentage sign so it's gone, and then divide by 100, or essentially move the decimal 2 places to the left. So let's go about doing that. So we have 27, and we are going to move the decimal 2 places to the left. And here's our decimal here because this is a whole number, so we move it 2 places to the left, which gives us 0.27 as our decimal. So now let's take another one, 39%. Now again, we're going to drop this percentage sign, and we're going to move our decimal 2 places to the left, which will give us 0.39 as a decimal. Now let's go with the bigger percentage of 127%. Now once again, we're just going to get rid of this percentage, and we're going to move our decimal 2 places to the left, which will give us 1.27 as our decimal. Now I'll give you one more example of 313%. So let's take our decimal here. Once we get rid of this percentage sign, move it 2 places to the left, and that will give us 3.13. So I lied, I'm going to give you one more example here just to solidify things even further. Let's take 227.15%. So same concept, let's just get rid of this percentage sign, and let's move our decimal 2 places to the left, and it will give us 2.2715 as our decimal. So that's how you go from a decimal to a percentage and a percentage to a decimal. It's a pretty simple concept once you have seen this.